Hello my friends, welcome back. This is Lucy from Fluidart with Macrame Elegance in the beautiful Napa Valley. Today we're going to do a side bloom, and let me tell you about my colors. This is Pebeo Green Blue, beautiful. This is a custom color. It's kind of a lilac, bluish, kind of smoky, I don't know, lilac, I don't know. It's really pretty, kind of grayish, bluish purple. And this is a custom color also, just a pink. Had some leftover pinks, and then I have Veridian Green and Master, I'm not sure who made this one, Master's Touch Chrome Oxide Green. All my paint colors and description will be in the description box, so please check it out there. Okay, pillow paint. So today I opened up a new can of Gliddens, whoops, I don't want to spill it out, Multipro. Let's see, am I in camera? I think so. Okay, this is a 10 by 10 canvas. Ooh, this seems thick. Oh no, I see, oh boy, there is, oh dear. There is a lot of stuff in here. Oh no, 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 no. Oh my gosh. I did not stir the can, I just was hoping for the best, and woohoo, look at all this. Oh boy. We don't want that. Are we good now? Does seem thick. Okay. Well, let's work with what we got here. Okay, let's hope we don't get it. I switched cans because I'm trying to find again a can that I like. Since here it is. Since the Multipro went away from PPG. So this is Gliddens' version of it. Okay, we are going to start. Now, I've just kind of picked some colors, so I don't know how this is going to turn out, but we'll hope it's going to be beautiful, huh? How are you today? I hope you're all well. Hope you're doing something you enjoy also. Pebeo Green Blue. And this beautiful custom color. And then we have pink. I don't know, should I add some gold on top? I think I'll just, that's a lot. Okay, I'm gonna put, let's see, I think I need to stir this, shake this a little. My Chrome Oxide Green down here. And then our Veridian Green. All right. Let's see how this turns out. I'm kind of thinking I want a little gold, but maybe that's for another one. Okay, I'm going to use black cell activator today. It's with the Australian Floral. Now, if you want to know what pouring medium I use, that again will be in the description box. So I'm gonna put it right here. All right. And I'll use my smallest little blow dryer from Amazon here. Ooh, that's pretty. All right, I like the beginning of the blowout, and then when I was doing the sides, I normally do these two sides right here with the with this, and so I should have, but that's okay. Let's get it back in the middle. And I have, so far I only have one that I need to pop. And a little color on top of it. Let's see. And here, I'm not going to go in too far. I think since I want to, we'll do that. So that means I need to do it through the others. Oh, that picked up a lot of, and that really went down. I think I want that. I don't want that quite, that white come in so much. That's better. Okay. Every one I do a little bit different. Color's very pretty. All right. Okay, it's still a little, you know, I think I'm gonna, that's better. Okay, just kind of matches the other side a little bit, but it was just looking a little wonky. Get it kind of in the middle. Okay, we're gonna spin this out, so let me scoot it over a little, and I'll scoot the camera over, and we'll spin this out. Oh, I know what I need to do. Let me spread this out a little bit. Okay. Let me check it. All right. Wow, that's pretty. Wow, that really got big. And we still have some paint here. Needs to come off. Put a little bit extra there. Okay, maybe one last little spin. Yeah. Now, I wish I wouldn't have done this and that, but I did. And everything else is covered. Yes. All the sides are covered now. Got that one little dot there. But if I do something now, it might mess it up. Well, I don't know. Let me see. Let me take my glove off. Because after the painting dries, you can go back and just color match. Let me see if I can get it now. Well, I got most of it. This is pretty pretty. I like the colors. Okay, my friends, let's take a close-up. Let's get you down and see what's going on in there, and come back for another video. And if you like, you may subscribe and give it a like and maybe a comment. I'd love to hear your comments. And God bless you. I'll see you in the next video.